Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix the WWAhost.exe high disk CPU memory usage. So this is gonna be an easy and a quick tutorial, and before we start I just wanna say to subscribe to my channel for other tutorials, and once you're done we can start. So first of all, what you need to do is just open the start menu and type apps and features. Okay, so there it is. So open it, click on it, and now what you want to do is, once it loads, you want to search for mail and calendar. So scroll down and find that. Okay, so there it is. Once you find it, what you want to do is just click on advanced options. Okay, so click on it and scroll to the bottom of the page, and what you want to do now is click on reset. So this will reset the app will be reinstalled and revert to its default settings. Your documents will not be affected. You will reset the app if the app isn't working right. Okay, so click on reset again and wait for it to finish. And that's it. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe, like and comment.